Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a great week so far. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we have made it to day number 20 in the Mileage and Secret Clickbank Challenge. Just coming back here with another video, guys, showing you guys how to send out an email in the system and how we can earn a extra income with this method. All right. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to this channel and you can see on how to get started. You can go back here and click on this channel and then just go back to the first video of the challenge so you can kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing. All right. Now, what we're doing here, guys, if you guys have not watched this video or any of these videos that I put out, we are using the Mileage and Secret Service, and we are using ClickBank. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can get traffic and somehow get a result and get earn income from ClickBank. All right. So if you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, Mileage and Secret is a email service that's going to provide you 100 to 200 make money online leads every single day. So these people that are on this Mileage and Secret email list, these people are hungry for ways to earn income online. All right. And our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find an offer that we can promote that's related to make money online, whether that be ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty. There's tons of different CPA networks that you can use, and you can try some of those offers, and then you can come over here to Mileage and Secret, create an email using Chat GPT or the free email swipes from the vendor, and you'll be able to see results. All right. So, a little bit about my Lead Gen Secret system. I've been with them over a few years now. I totally love the service, guys. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic to test it, to see what works and what doesn't work. And I've found out there are certain programs, there are certain offers that do work and some that don't. Okay. Mainly the ones that are going to work are the ones that are going to be related to making money online. All right. So if you guys wanted to get started with My Legion Secret, it is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. You guys can have multiple accounts. Okay, if you want to get multiple accounts, I did leave a link below this video for you guys to sign up. Now, once you sign up, your back office is going to look exactly like this. What you would do is take this affiliate ID, your own affiliate ID is going to be in your back office. You take that, you sign out, and then you sign up under your own account. Okay. And then you just keep doing that until you get as many accounts as you want. Now you don't. Right now, I got 8 accounts. You don't have to run out and grab 8 accounts, but the sweet spot is going to be anywhere from 3 to 5 accounts. Okay, so I would recommend at least trying to get those many accounts if you can, if your budget permits. I wouldn't recommend going out getting too many accounts because you don't want to pay that money and not see the results. Okay, and you may not be able to hold off until then before giving up. All right, so. I recommend at least 3 to 5 accounts if you're on a budget. That way you can keep those accounts, promote those every day until you start earning income. And then when you start earning income, you can start eventually getting more accounts. All right. So if you guys are in the Mileage and Secret system, if you already signed up already at the link below, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. You're going. What determines 100 to 200 leads every day is however many accounts that you have. So anything after your first account, okay, once you start getting more than one account, you'll start getting those 200 leads every single day. Okay. So if you sign up today and you sign up for another account under yourself, you'll get 200 leads from that second account. You sign up under your third account, okay, you're going to get another 200 leads. Okay, so you're going to get 100 leads from that, and then if you sign up again under for a third account, you're going to get I'm sorry, for a fourth account, you're going to get 200 leads for the third account. Okay, and so on, so on, so on. You're just going to stack those accounts. All right. So your last account, you should have just 100 emails. All right, until someone signs up on that second account. So you can always find someone that you want to share the service with and see if they can sign up, and that'll give you that extra 200 leads on your last account. All right. So if you guys following along, your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing that's going to be different is the emails that you're sending out because it may be different from mine. You can use the free email swipes from the vendor, or you can go to Chat GPT and you can create free emails there. All right. So this is what this looks like. My leads just shows you the leads that are coming in every single day. Today is April 29th. We did receive a 200 leads. I did send out my emails not too long ago before this video, just to save a little bit of time. So I did send out those emails, and I was able to get this 200 people that have not seen my emails before. Okay, which is pretty cool. Master email swipes. These are additional email swipes that you can use. Okay, it does cost you $30 for these pre-written emails. These are by a seven-figure marketer. Okay, that's created this. Okay, now if you want to go out and grab those, you can. But for the sake of this video, if you're trying to keep costs down, we're just using the free email swipes from the vendor from Clickbank. The mailing system, all these other tabs, you're not going to be using them. The only tab you're really going to be using is the mailing system. I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. So you would pretty much go to mailing system here. Okay. Now I have quite a few emails in here because I've already maxed out the service. Okay, but your whatever you have, you just click on select last of whatever emails that you have. Click that. If you're just getting started, it just may say 100 or 200, okay, or 400, just depends on what day it is. Click that. All the emails that are the most recent will come over here, and this is the portal. This is where we send out an email, and then all of the leads, all the emails that we, all the email that we send is going to go to all these leads. Okay, is what I'm trying to say. So you come down here, you got subject line, and then you got a body of text right here. All right. So what we're going to do, this is just like sending out any type of email. Like if you're sending out an email in Google, or if you're sending out an email in Bing or something like that, Outlook or something like that. So if you can copy and paste, if you can send out emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. Okay, so the offer that we're using is going to be an offer from Clickbank. Clickbank is a marketing platform for affiliate marketers where we can go and we can uh, promote different offers. Okay. And the offer that we are going to be promoting is going to be the e-business, e-marketing. Okay. This is going to be the place that we're going to go. And right now for this challenge, guys, I'm not sure if I told you in this video already, we're just going to we're going to do one challenge with one offer. Okay. For 365 days. All right. Which is 1 year. All right. We're already 20 days deep into this method, this strategy here. Okay. But I just wanted to show you that, guys. We're not going to promote any other different offers. Now you can, okay. Just because I'm doing a challenge for this one offer, you guys can promote get paid to use Facebook, the paid online writing jobs, and write out reviews. Those four I would recommend because if you go back to the beginning of this channel, I promoted different offers and they work, guys. They convert, okay. And I was earning income with those offers. All right. But I did circle back around because people were inboxing me, asking me just to keep going with this. So I wanted to circle back around and I wanted to do something different. I want to try one offer from Clickbank and see if we can earn a full-time income from just one offer. All right, guys. And that's going to be this live chat jobs here. And the reason I picked it because it has a $20 rebill every month. So all we got to do is do the work one time. Okay, send out our emails every single day. We do the work one time and we get $20 over and over and over and over again. Okay, until someone decides to cancel. Now the likelihood of them canceling is going to be anywhere from 3 to 6 months of what I've seen. So imagine getting brand new trials every day, brand new sales every few days, and then having the monthly residual income coming in every single month, guys. It's going to snowball within this year that we're going to do this challenge. All right. So what we would do is click on affiliate page. The affiliate page is going to take us to the affiliate page right here. Is what it looks like. We'll go to email swipes. Okay. And today we're on number 20. Okay. So we're going to go down here to number 20, which is the last email in the email list here. And then once we finish this email, guys, from email number 20, we're just going to start back to one again. Pretty cool. All right. So what we would do is we would come here to the subject line. We want to grab the subject line, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V. Right. Super easy to do. Come down here to the body, click on perfect timing. Perfect timing is going to make sure your email goes out when people are looking at their emails. And we want to grab this body of text here. We want to copy it. Okay. Control C, come back over here to the mailing system. And we want to come here and Control V. Very easy. Very easy to do, guys. Very easy. Look at that. Where it says hi name, we want to address our prospect by their first name. So you want to grab this text right here. Okay. And it's going to, when this email goes out, it's going to address the prospect by their first name. So if their name is Jermaine, John, Jenny, whatever, it's going to say like, hi, Jermaine, do you have a knack for conversation? Right. So it's more personalized to our prospect whenever we send out an email. And remember, if you guys have not been watching these videos, hit this link to apply. Any type of bold text that says click here or hit this link, we want to make it a clickable link. So you want to click here on the link tab and we want to grab the link. The affiliate link is going to be underneath every email that we send out. Okay. So just remember that. So you just want to control C. It's going to be at the bottom. Now this email goes with this email body of email. Okay. So that way, when our prospect clicks on it, everything's congruent. All right. Super important here, guys. Where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Don't put in my name. Okay. Put in your name, whatever that may be. Okay. That way you get the credit for this email. Okay. So you just click on OK. Boom. That is a clickable link now. Look, guys. So when this email goes out, our prospect is going to click on this link and it's going to take them to your landing page, and your landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do anything else. Our job here is to send our links, okay, is get as much traffic as we can to our links, and then our pages, our websites, they're already converting to where they're going to do all the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to do anything. All you got to do is send out emails, guys. Super easy. All right. Last thing I'd like to do before I send out an email, I like to make it either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys like to use. That way it's a little bit bigger, easier to read for our prospect whenever it's going into their inbox. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. After you proofread it, you want to proofread it first. Click on preview. Click on this link, okay, and make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. That's very important before you send out an email. Don't just come in here and send out an email, because could be something weird with the link. The last thing you want is to send out an email and you not get credit for it. All right. So do that, proofread it, and then after you proofread it, you want to click on send. That's it, guys. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method. Now, if you're someone out there who's looking for extra income, someone who's looking for maybe some extra gas money, money to pay an electric bill, a light bill, maybe rent or mortgage if you have one, a car payment or something like that. This is the type of income that you're going to be able to use towards those extra bills if you need the extra income. Okay. Now, if you want to turn this into a full-time income, make anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. It's going to take a little bit of time, but if you send out emails every day, you will see progress. That's one thing I want to throw a disclaimer out. I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with this system. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you send out emails every day and you do what I'm showing you how to do right here, right now, okay, you will see progress. Okay. So if you go out and grab an account, I left the link below the video. Okay. If you are watching this video, all you got to do is go to the bottom of the video, in the description, and then the link is going to be right here. Sign up for the My Lead Gen Secret system, and go ahead and get your first account going and start sending out those emails ASAP. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. Let's go ahead and go over to the Clickbank offer. We did send out an email yesterday for day number 19. I want to show you the results and see how we did today, and see if we got any commissions or any traffic or anything like that. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Okay, today is April the 29th. Okay, we're at the end of the month here. We did get, let's see here. We got Tez plan. Oh, well, no, I'm sorry. We're promoting social sales rep. Just don't pay attention to any of this stuff, guys. I got different traffic going to different stuff. But the only thing we're going to be worried about is the social sales rep. This is what we're promoting. We got over 1,100 hops going to this offer. And then unique hops, we got 827 brand new IP addresses that are going to our affiliate page, which is really good, guys. We got 2 order form impressions. This is someone who decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. And our advantage today, guys, we did get a sale. Okay. We did get a sale today, which is really good. This is a free trial sale. That means that our prospect will sign up in about 3 days. Okay, so in about 3 days, we're going to see a commission for $20. Now, if you guys been following these videos, video series, excuse me, um, someone signed up 3 days ago, okay, for an offer, and we're now seeing a commission from it as well. Okay, so we got a commission today from the free trial from a few days ago, and then we got another free trial. Okay, that's the whole goal with this thing, guys, is to bridge these sales together. That way, we can start getting initial sales every day, and then our rebills will start stacking on top of each other, guys. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email today, show you the results that we got today. We did get a sale today, which we'll be looking forward to that in a few days. And then I got one of the trial sales that I got already. That we submitted a few days ago. That we did get a sale from. All right, which is really good. All right, guys. But as you know, I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take any more of your time. I just want to get to the meat and potatoes of this thing and let you know that if you're looking for extra income, you can do this method. It's super easy to do, super inexpensive to do. So go ahead and get started today. I will meet you guys back here at the same time, same place tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.